Football season is among us and we're making a tailgate appetizer called MOINK Balls. This has been around for a while, but it's the first time we've made them on the channel, so stick around and let's show you how we do it. Let's light up the Kamado Joe Kettle Joe. We have laid a bed of wood chunks. This is post oak on the bottom bed, and that purpose is to help us achieve that blue thin smoke when using a Kamado. Then we're gonna fill it up with some Jealous Devil lump charcoal XL, use that grill blazer, grill torch, and that's gonna let us light this thing up in 1 minute, and we're aiming for 275 because as we put these MOINK balls together, we want that nice juiciness in the middle, but also the bacon to get nice and crisp. So at 275, we should hit the mark, and we'll just monitor the temperatures. But I'm gonna bring you in the kitchen now and show you how we put these together. Let me take you to the kitchen and show you how we're gonna put these MOINK balls together. I like to get 80-20 ground beef, also the pork. Most people, on a side note, like just to do the 80-20 ground beef, add their rub, and then put these into meatballs. What we're gonna do is add the ground pork and then the ground beef, put it together as if we're doing our own roast or something like that, but turn them into meatballs. And then we're gonna add the egg, then we're gonna add some breadcrumbs, then also we're gonna add our favorite rub. And then we'll mix all that together with our gloves until it gets all congealed together, put it in the refrigerator, let it continue to formulate, and then we're gonna scoop them in to meatballs. Then we're gonna get some thin bacon and wrap that around one time, use a toothpick to make sure it's secure. Then lastly, add that rub to the outside of that bacon, and then we'll just continue until we get all these done and put them on the grill. And we're dialed in already at 275, and we'll let this ride until it's done and finish it off with a homemade sauce that we'll put on for a final glaze. We have hit that 160 internal temperature using Thermoworks thermometer. And what we're gonna do now is made up my own Carolina sauce. You could use any barbecue rub you want, but I thought I'm gonna try to make my Carolina sauce I usually do for pulled pork. And what we're gonna do is just dip this in here and put it back on and let it caramelize. And then we'll do a final review. Well, you just saw me cut into that. That was delicious, amazing. Another awesome backyard appetizer you're gonna definitely wanna try. I just loved all the flavors that came together on this MOINK ball. Again, if you like videos like this, like and subscribe. You know exactly what to do. Let YouTube know, turn on notifications, and most importantly, put in the comments what you thought of this cook, and if you've done a variation of this before. I would love to hear from you, as I love learning together. Again, from my backyard to yours, less hate, more love. Good barbecue. Till next time.